All right, welcome to City Growing. My name's Rob Vore. This episode, something really fun I'm going to do with some shrimp. Down in the east coast of Florida, there's a great restaurant, Doc Ford's. They sell their own Yucatan sauce. I've made my own sauce, but I'm going to use their sauce. It costs about $10 on the internet. Have it shipped to your place, but I already have some melted butter in here for this shrimp. I decided instead of doing a peel and eat shrimp, which is very good but really messy, I'm just going to go ahead and put my shrimp inside my iron skillet with this melted butter, right? So I have about a pound of shrimp here, not a whole lot, but I'm just going to lay it in here. What's nice with the peel and eat shrimp, the sauce really adheres to the shell of that shrimp. But you know, honestly, I'm at home. It's fun when you're out and having a good time, but I'm trying to have a good time here at the house, and I just want to eat the shrimp, right? And it really makes a big mess. So I'm just going to place all the shrimp in here and that butter. Oh, that's delicious. Go ahead and get about a half a cup of the Yucatan sauce, and I'm just going to place it in here just like that. This is going to be really good. So we're going to have this with some white rice and some grilled broccoli as well, just to make it a kind of a meal. Put that in there, and I have some fresh cilantro. I'm just going to sprinkle this around in here. I love cilantro, so just go ahead and sprinkle that on, and get ready to put this on the grill. Okay, I'm out here on the grill. I'm going to go ahead and open up the grill. It's about almost 400 degrees, so I'm going to go ahead and place that Yucatan shrimp right here in the skillet. This will start to bubble up here probably in about 5 minutes, and it'll be ready to eat. All right, it's been several minutes cooking this shrimp. Take a look at it. So the shrimp looks beautiful. It's cooked all the way around. That's what I'm looking for. I'll take it inside, stir it up, and then get ready to plate it up with some rice. This is delicious. This sauce, I know it's going to be excellent. I tasted it myself already. Take it inside. Let's give it a try. Okay, so we're inside. Brought the Yucatan shrimp inside. I'm just going to give this a little swirl in here to get everything mixed in real well. Oh, that stick of butter makes it really tasty. Just mix this up a little bit more here. Get that Yucatan sauce all over everything. Get that cilantro mixed in well. These are nice shrimp, really South Carolina shrimp, so it's gonna taste wonderful. I'm gonna grab some here, put it on my rice. A little extra sauce in here too. That's the secret part that tastes so good. Oh, just a few more shrimp here, I think, just like that. And a little more sauce here. Bingo. All right, that's it. I'll try to take a little bite here. I know it's gonna be hot. Actually, I know it's gonna be way hot. I'm gonna grab some of this rice without the shrimp, because I know it's gonna taste good. Oh yeah. Oh wow. That sauce is excellent. Highly recommend it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Get the recipe at citygrill.com. You'll like this. It's really good. Have some more.